Both of these are viral Korean serums with TXA and niacinamide, but which one is right for your skin? Let me explain. First, let's talk about the Anua Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum. This serum is gentle and perfect for everyday use, even if you have sensitive skin. It has 10% niacinamide to brighten your skin and reduce dark spots, 4% tranexamic acid to help with uneven skin tone, plus arbutin, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and centella asiatica to hydrate and calm the skin. Even the pink color comes from vitamin B12, which is also helps repair the skin. It has light, watery, and non-sticky texture. You can use it in the morning and night, best for sensitive and combination skin. Next, the Medicube TXA Niacinamide 15% serum. This one is stronger and more targeted. It has 15% niacinamide, more powerful for fading stubborn dark spots. It also includes TXA, arbutin, panthenol, and glycerin, all great for even out skin tone, deeply moisturizing, and improving texture. If you're dealing with stubborn pigmentation, acne marks, or rough skin and want something stronger with added anti-aging benefits, Medicube might give you faster results. It has slightly thicker than Anua but is still light and fast absorbing. You can use it in the morning and night, best for normal to oily skin, especially if you have dark spots or early signs of aging. Go with Anua if your skin is sensitive, dry, or sensitive to redness and you want a gentle daily brightening serum. Opt for Medicube if you're looking for stronger dark spot correction, better texture, and your skin can handle higher niacinamide level. Both are amazing, just choose the one that matches your skin type and skin concerns.